Hey, I'm Dell. I've been in the service industry since 2001 and started TRAV-LIB in 2021. From bartending large weddings, corporate events, private parties, and cocktail classes, I'm going to tell you the process. The first question I always get is how much. Glassware, ice, mixers, specialty ingredients, and garnishes are all included with our services. If you're looking for service under $12.50, you're set for professionally crafted cocktails and a full service bar for your guests. At $12.50 and above, 1 to 5 crowd-pleasing cocktails are custom designed by our team to match your theme. Cocktail classes are typically an hour and a half and average about 75 a guest. Simply put, pricing fluctuates with the guest count, time frame, staffing, and ingredient prep required. Traveling Libations operates with Maryland certified staff and with general and liquor liability insurance. Once you fill out and submit the inquiry form on our website, schedule your free event consultation. These conversations allow us to see your vision for the big day, create an accurate estimate, and customize service for your needs. Once an estimate is accepted by you and a contract is signed, the date is saved and planning begins. Your cocktails are designed deliciously and displayed creatively on included custom menu frames. Typically, events are 4 hours, not including setup, but shorter and longer services are available. Unique, fresh, seasonal ingredients are created for your event. Custom flavor building is our standard: herbal, fruity, smoky, refreshing, spirit-forward, non-alcoholic, classic, or custom. Made for guests with precision by professionals. After customizing your event's cocktail menu, an optional tasting session is available in advance. During planning, upgrade to glassware, add large format punches, and decide on any rentals you'd like. Please be as accurate as possible with the guest count and time frame because they're used to calculate the alcohol and product amounts. With these details, staff are scheduled by management for your event. We provide a third-party liquor distributor, but feel free to use your own. Once the liquor order is paid for by you separately, alcohol amounts along with final payment are due 1 week prior to your event. Optionally, TRAV-LIB will inventory, store, and deliver the order to your event for hands-off host convenience. TRAV-LIB provides functional, venue-adaptable bars or can fully transform your venue's pre-existing bar. All bar tools, specialty ingredients, and garnishes are included with your service, along with some of the best service professionals Maryland has to offer. No more bar service with subpar attitudes or cocktails. Fast, efficient, friendly service, customized to your needs. You're in good hands. TRAV-LIB staff arrive to events at least 2 hours early to ensure the setup is beautiful and functional. With the ability to build a craft bar in almost any area, inside or outside, no more restrictions to parking lots or driveways. We've held next-level events in wedding venues, corporate buildings, basements, kitchens, patios, and backyards. There's no place too big or too small. Let Traveling Libations take the stress of bar service completely off your shoulders so you can enjoy time with guests. Fill out the inquiry form on the Book Us page of our website and get started with free consultation today.